Today we will do new topic, that is story sums. In this topic we will learn how to represent given information in the story sums with statement. We have to write down the statement when we solve the problem. It is very interesting. Look here. In the picture, 89 frogs and 23 turtles in the pond. We have to find out the total number of frogs and turtles. For this, we have to write down the statement. So, how we can write or find the statement from the story sums? Look here. We will write the statement like 89 frogs in a pond. And second statement is 23 turtles in a pond. And last statement is total number of frogs and turtles. So students, we will write the statement from the story sums. हम जो अपनी स्टेटमेंट है, जो भी हम क्वेश्चन के लिए स्टेटमेंट राइट करेंगे, वो हम क्वेश्चन से ही फाइंड आउट करके राइट करेंगे. सो कम टू द स्टेटमेंट. द स्टेटमेंट इज frogs in pond and turtles in pond. Frogs in pond is equal to 89 and turtles in pond is equal to 23. So you better know we have to add first of all digit at ones place. So we will add 9 and 3. We get 12. So we will write 2 under ones place and 1 as a carry under tens place. Now we will add 3 digit 1, 8, 2. We get 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So the answer is 112. The total number of frogs and turtles is equal to 112. This is your answer. Now come to next story sum. That is, Meena has 64 Barbie stickers and Meena has 48 kitty stickers. So how many stickers does she have in total? We have to find out the total number of these stickers. हमें इन दोनों स्टिकर्स का टोटल निकालना है कि मीना के पास कितने स्टिकर्स हैं. सो वी विल फाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्टेटमेंट. हियर इज द स्टेटमेंट. Barbie stickers is equal to 64 and kitty stickers is equal to 48 and total stickers is equal to, we will find out later. So we will write the statement from the story sums like this. So here is our statement. Statement is Barbie stickers is equal to 64 and kitty stickers is equal to 48. Now we will add to find out the total stickers. First of all, we will add 4 and 8 at ones place. सबसे पहले हम ones place digits जो हैं उनको ऐड करेंगे. After adding these digits, we will get 8 and 4 is equal to 12. You can draw the lines to find out and you can count on the fingertips. So we will write 2 under ones place and 1 as carry. Now we will add 1, 6 and 4. 6 and 4, 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So the total stickers are 112. Sum is, bookseller sells 72 books and 58 notebooks in a day. How many books and notebooks does he sell in total? So for this we have to write down the statement. So we will find out the statement from the story sum. First of all, we will write a bookseller sells book is equal to 72 and he sells notebook is equal to 58. And last one we will write total books and notebooks. So like this way we will find out the statement from the story sums. हमने क्वेश्चंस में से ही स्टेटमेंट को राइट डाउन करना है, उसको फाइंड आउट करना है. Now look here, this is the statement. Now first is bookseller sells books is equal to 72 and he sells notebook is equal to 58. Now we will find out the total books and notebooks he sell. अब हमें बुक्स और नोटबुक्स का टोटल फाइंड आउट करना है. So we will add 2 and 8 at the ones place. We will always start from the right side. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. We will write 0 under ones place and 1 as carry. Now we will add the digit at tens place 175. When we add 175, we get 13. So the total books and notebooks he sell is equal to 130. So like this, we will write the statement for every story sums. I hope this topic is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.